Welcome guys to another video of ABC Outdoors. We have part 2 on Mama right here, Mama Cat. This is Kitty. We have part 2 up on her babies and her. Yeah, look at her. So we're looking at trying to find the other cats. There's one. Ain't she cute? Okay. I'm gonna try to find the other ones. Have no clue where they are. Over here, maybe? There's Mama Cat. She followed me. Oh. Now I'm looking for these kittens. Oh no. And she's following me. Wherever I go, she's always right there. There's one. That's blocked, so I can't get over to them. And just right there. I'm sorry about that. So I'm gonna make another video tomorrow on Mrs. Kitty. If you guys want to see that, like and subscribe. I want to get to 100 subscribers. We're only sorry. We are only 27 away. Please just subscribe. 27 more people, and I'll be happy. But here's on my area where we have like a lot of random stuff. We have traps, and if you guys are an OG, you guys will remember my pheasants. Raccoons got them. So now we've been trying to hunt them down. Trying to just kill them. See, I told you guys, she follows me wherever I go, but instead of inside. Yeah. So, I'll update you guys whenever I can. I won't, actually guys, I might not update you tomorrow in the early. I probably won't. The only reason why, because I have to go somewhere tomorrow. Have a great rest of your day and peace. Please get this short up to a couple thousand views.